Hi there, my name is Rob Smucker with Smucker Manufacturing, and today we're going to talk about a new product that we're excited about for 2021. One of the things that a lot of farmers have been asking us for over the years is a way to adjust your weed wiper while you're in the field on the go. All of our ATV units up to this point have been manual adjustment, and the other issue is most farmers, especially if they're using them in pastures and row crop applications, they want to be able to use their weed wiper on a UTV. So in this section, we're going to talk about how this adjustable height kit attaches to your existing weed wiper and how you connect it to your UTV. So you can see it in this kit that you're buying. It actually goes with any existing weed wiper that you have, a Smucker wiper, whether it's a 5-foot, 10-foot, or a 15-foot unit. And you can see this 2-inch receiver hitch goes into your 2-inch receiver on your UTV, and then it attaches right here to your main toolbar on your weed wiper. Now, as far as maintenance, there's 2 grease zerks on this. There's one here and one here on your jack. You're going to want to keep those greased. And as you can see, this particular jack that comes with the kit has 17 inches of throw. I've got it right in the middle here, and I'm going to show you now how you can hook it up to the jack and either do it manually or with the power drill. So right here you can see that if you want to do adjustment where you get off of your UTV and adjust the height of your weed wiper, you can do that with a simple ratchet. And what we're recommending you use is a 7/16 12-point socket that simply hooks up to the connector here, and then you're able to manually crank and get height adjustment on that weed wiper manually. Again, that's going to be in cases where you're going through the field and you want to do some fine tuning. However, in a practical sense, most of your weeds in your field are going to be variation in height and also what you're saving below. Whether you're in pastures or row crops, you may have some height adjustment, like say if you're going through a ditch, and be able to adjust on the go. So I'm going to show you how you can do that next. You have a 20-inch extension and a 24-inch extension. Depending upon how far you are away from that jack, you can use one or both of them. And in this case, you've got a swivel on the end here with a 3/8 drive. You simply connect that there. Now I'm going to show you how this gives height adjustment on the go. One of the key things in this is that you're using a rechargeable drill that has a slip clutch in it. That's really key because when you get to the very bottom of that jack and the very top of the jack, you don't want to damage the gears that's in that jack by giving it too much power there. So typically what you're going to do is adjust this. You're going to have to play with it to see. I'm going to show you right now when we go all the way down to the bottom here how it slips and you don't damage those gears. And I'm going to go to the very bottom here. Now I'm going to set my slip clutch to a level that's going to allow me to keep going down, but it'll slip here before it damages those gears. And you'll see this at the very bottom here. Okay, so you see how it's slipping here and not damaging those gears. And now I'm ready to go back up again by flipping in this direction. Whatever weeds you're going after, the key in weed wiping is being able to hit those weeds, get the maximum amount of material on your weeds without wiping in your crops below. And again, the nice part about this adjustable height on the go is you're able to do that from your cab without getting off, manually adjusting it and adjusting on the go.